wild like the Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with the blue tick hound. Blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't turn down. She caught the eye of a Norman dancing one summer night in a dime store dress. She had the looks, he had the mansion, and you could figure out the rest. It was all roses, dripping in diamonds, sipping on champagne. She was all uptown, wearing that white gown, taking his last name. She could hear those church bells ringing, ringing, and up in the loft that whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing, yeah, they're ringing. Jenny was hosting junior league parties and having dinner at the country club. Everyone thought they were Ken and Barbie, but Ken was always getting way too drunk. Saturday night after a few too many, Ken came home ready to fight, and all his money can never save Jenny from the devil living in his eyes. It was all bruises covered with makeup, dark sunglasses. And that next morning, sitting in the back pew playing with the Baptist, she could hear those church bells ringing, ringing. And up in the loft, the whole choir singing, singing. Fold your hands and close your eyes, yeah, it's all gonna be alright. And just listen to the church bells ringing, ringing, yeah, they're ringing. Jenny slipped something in his Tennessee whiskey no London man was ever gonna find. And how he died, still a mystery, but he hit a woman for the very last time.